Hi, so here we are in the dashboard of dev.protectedmail.us, logged in as the administrator, and I just want to take you through the system real quick and show you exactly what we've set up and exactly what we're doing to test the connection to the Zimbra server and the error message that we're currently getting. So here we're back in the control panel. We have installed an extension known as Membership Pro for the membership portion. That way people can subscribe to memberships, and it is connected in with, it automatically connects in with Joomla user profiles and automatically creates a Joomla user account when a person subscribes to a membership. When they subscribe to a membership, we also have in here in the plugin manager, if you'll come over here, you'll see we have a plugin called our Zimbra user, and it's deactivated right now because it's what's giving us the error message. In this plugin, you'll see we have some information to connect to the Zimbra server, as well as authentication information, whether we want to allow existing, if there is an existing user, whether we want them to allow a duplicate account, what do we want to do on delete? Do we actually want to delete, when we delete the user here, do we want to delete the user there or just close their account? We put it to just close their account is what we've done here. Completion, this is whether there's a message or not given, a success message or not given upon a successful creation of the account in the administration interface, and whether we send a welcome email or not. And right now we have it, yes, sending it from a Joomla email. That can be turned off as Membership Pro does send out emails already. So anyway, since this isn't activated right now, and the reason it's not activated is because it's not actually syncing. For some reason, it's not accepting the credentials. It's just saying permission denied. And I don't exactly know why. It is connecting to the Zimbra server, but for some reason, it's just saying permission denied. So I'm going to go ahead and activate this, and I'm going to show you what I mean and how we're testing it. So once we've activated that, I'm going to come back over here to users and over to the user manager. There's just a super user account in here right now, but I can go into this account, and when I attempt to save this account, you're going to notice that I get this error message because it could not connect to the Zimbra server. I get this error message even if I try to create a new account. For instance, I'll just create a quick account here. Using one of our emails. Okay, so for the assigned user groups, I'm just going to assign them to subscriber and register the standard user groups. Not going to change any of the basic settings, not going to add any of the additional profile fields because none of them are required. So I'm going to click Save, and it creates the user. But you'll notice we had a couple error messages. One is it could not instantiate the mail function. That happens to be with PHP-Mail. I don't know what's going on there, but that it seems to be that either PHP-Mail is either not, the mail server is not installed on the system, or that needs to be connected to the mail server, but that's beyond our scope. Here we have this error message once again that it could not connect to the mail server, and it just says permission denied is all. So why this is going on, all we've done here is in the extensions manager, we've just went ahead and gone into in the plugins manager, we've just gone in, and this is on the last page with it, which is page 5 of the plugins, and we've just disabled it right now so that we don't get that error message. The only thing right now that will need to be done any differently than the system would normally operate is that at this point in time, since the Zimbra server is not syncing with Joomla, then the only thing that needs to be done is that when an account is, when a person subscribes to Protected Mail, an account would have to be manually created for them on the Zimbra server at this point in time until those two systems connect. The plugin that we've used, you will find that if you go over here into var www html into plugins, you come down to user, and then in here you will find our Zimbra user. Here is the main plugin and the XML file, and in Zimbra user the Zimbra admin interface that is used in the back. So anyway, You can edit these directly. I don't know if you're using OneSkype or not, but you can edit them directly from there and take a look at exactly how it operates. It utilizes the SOAP API. So if you have any questions or anything, just let us know. Thanks.